Okay, so now we're going to be buying and selling. We're going to be doing buying and selling. And I want you to learn how to place limits. You know, how to make use of different limit orders. Okay, so that's what I want you to understand in this lesson. So again, you're welcome to the crypto trading course, you know, proudly brought to you by cryptonex.co. So now I'm going to go on Binance real quick. Okay, let me go back to the dashboard. So I'm going to go to the dashboard now and execute some trades. So I'm going to go to the markets. When I get to the markets, let me go to the fiats, those ones that are paired with stable coins. Okay, so let me do BTC, BUSD. Okay, I'm going to click on this. It is going to load up a chart. Now, understanding the charts and taking advantage of price fluctuation is a different ball game. Okay, it's a different ball game. So I'm going to teach you what to do to take advantage of the price fluctuation also. So, but now look at this. This is limit. This is market. This is stop limit. Now I'm going to focus on buy limit. If you're doing buy limit, it means that you want to tell the market, you want to tell, because this is a trading engine. This is an engine, okay, hosted on a particular server, I don't know. But now you want to give an instruction. Every time you are using, okay, as you can see, I've made a playlist for you guys that will teach you all the basics and the fundamentals of crypto and cryptocurrency. So all I'm asking for from you guys is just subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification button, like the video, and make a comment down below. Let me know what you've gained from each of the course module, each of the video. Let me know what you've gained so far from it. So I'm going to appreciate this feedback. Subscribe, turn on notification button, like this video, and make a comment. That is all I'm asking from you guys. This platform, you are giving it instruction on what to do and what not to do. Okay, so now the current price of Bitcoin is $54,728.85. So this is the current price, and probably you don't want to buy at this price. You can come here and decide for yourself to buy Bitcoin at $50,000. Okay, then the question is, how much Bitcoin do you want to buy? You can just come here and type something like 0.0003 Bitcoin. Okay, then it will cost you $15 to buy 0.0003 Bitcoin. But again, you don't have to do that. You can just use the slider scroll. As you're moving it up, it is increasing the total amount you can buy. Okay, most people, for convenience, most people prefer to use the slider, but to be more specific, then you can type in the variable. Okay, you can type it in. Okay, so the moment I click on buy BTC, it is going to set an order. Okay, you can see the buy order here. So at the same time, you can decide to cancel the order. The moment I set a buy order, the money has been deducted from the actual balance that you are seeing here. All right. So the moment you say cancel, it will cancel it. Then the balance goes back to $64. That is for the limit order. You want to buy at future price. You know, the price, like maybe we are predicting that Bitcoin might fall back to $50,000. So you want to set a limit. All right. So now there's a market price. The market means that you don't care how much the Bitcoin costs at the moment. You just want to buy it. You can just come here, 510 USD. It's a buy at the current market price. So when you click on buy BTC, immediately the order is filled automatically. So by the time you come here, sell BTC, you can see we've been able to buy certain amount of BTC. Okay. So now That is for the market price. You are buying at the current market price that you are seeing here. Okay. Now, this is the order book. This is the order book. The order book shows the live transaction. Okay. You can see someone is trying to buy 0.12 Bitcoin at this price here. Another person is trying to buy 1.85 Bitcoin at this price. So, sorry, someone is trying to sell. This is for sellers, okay? This is for buyers. Someone is trying to buy 0.027 Bitcoin at this price. Another person is trying to sell. So this is an 1.93, 2.63 Bitcoin at different prices. So this is, once you set a sell order, your sell order goes here, it reflects here. Once you set a buy order, your buy order reflects here, okay? So this is the war between the buyer and seller. This is a war. You can see the price is changing every second, okay? So you can have access to all kinds of trades, whether it is buy or sell here. All of them, they are here, okay? And also, you can also take advantage of the stop limits. This is how to set a stop limit, okay? Assuming that I want to buy Bitcoin at a particular price, I can come here and say, okay, buy, I can put a limit of $53,000. You see, a message will pop up here, and then put this to $54,000. Okay, then I'm going to put amount 0.0003. Okay, now this is the instruction. The instruction says, okay, I can also click, okay, buy BTC. Now it says if the last price drops to or below $54,000, an order to buy 0.0003 Bitcoin at the price of $53 will be displayed. If I click on confirm, okay, next you're going to see here is a condition, a trigger condition. Okay, this order is not in any order book yet. Okay, but the moment Bitcoin price crashes to $54,000, automatically the order is placed to buy for me at $53,000. That is a condition. It's like you want to buy a loaf of bread, and currently a loaf of bread is 1,500 naira in the market. You now set an order to buy a loaf of bread for you at 1,000 naira, okay? Once the price of the loaf of bread in the market crashes from $1,500 to $1,200, you understand it. So that is how to set a conditional order. Now, the same thing applies to sell. Everything that applies here, the limit order also applies to sell. Now, I can decide to sell. The Bitcoin that we have is about 0.00182. So I can come here and decide to sell this for $60,000. It's my choice. Then I'm going to draw this to 100%. Then I'll say sell BTC. Okay. So if you say sell BTC, definitely there is an order to sell BTC for you at $60,000. Do you get it? Now, that is for the limit sell order. Okay. Then for the markets, okay, cancel. At the market price now, let's say you want to sell 100% at the market price. Let me try it. So the reason is that the total order amount must be greater than 10. Okay, trading rules. Okay, so that is the reason why, because this is less than $10. It is the reason why we are not able to sell it. Okay, but I'm going to show you how that works using a different coin. Now, let's set a limit stop, a set stop limit. Now, I'm going to come here. Okay, I've cancelled it. I'm going to give you another condition. The condition is that once, okay, 60,000 is that 60,000, so that's $70,000. Let's assume that I'm predicting that the Bitcoin price, okay, sorry, I'm going to draw the slide. Then look at the instruction. If the last price rises to or above $60,000, an order to sell this amount of Bitcoin at a price of $70,000 will be placed. Okay, so it means that if I'm predicting based on my analysis, and I think that the price of Bitcoin will rise to $70,000, once it gets to $6,000, an order to sell for me at $7,000 will be placed. Now click on confirm. Okay, then you'll be seeing the condition right here. Okay, the condition is right here. So until you cancel this, it will be there. Once the conditions are met, definitely your order will be triggered. Okay, so that is it. Then do I have Sol? Okay, I think I have a coin called Sol. Okay, let me come here. SOL. I have SOL at the moment, so let me click on SOL BUSD. So for SOL BUSD, which is Solana, let me now show you how to set limits order, or let me say if you want to sell at the current market price. So if you come here, I have 1.78 Solana. So if I decide to sell everything, it is possible. Okay, I'll just click on sell Solana. When I click on sell, it will execute automatically. Okay, automatically it will be executed. So that is how to set the buy and sell order. We have the market order, we have the limit order, we have the stop limit order. Okay, and let me now show you the condition, the reason why traders use the stop limit order. Okay, I'm going to show you why traders use the stop limit order. So that is all you need to know about setting orders. Then how you can use that order to protect yourself from serious market fluctuation is what we're going to be talking about as you take a step forward to becoming a pro trader. See you on the other side of the course.